If you love cooking or just want to make things easier in the kitchen, you're going to love these. Today we are checking out 20 Amazon kitchen gadgets that can save you time, reduce effort, and make everyday cooking a lot more fun and efficient. Some of these are seriously so satisfying to use. All the links are in the description below, so let's jump into number 1. Number 1, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer, a super useful kitchen tool that makes chopping and slicing vegetables quick, easy, and mess-free. It's perfect for prepping onions, tomatoes, and more in seconds, saving you time and effort while cooking. It also keeps your cuts consistent, reduces prep stress, helps you work faster, and makes meal prep a lot more efficient and enjoyable. Number 2, the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener, a super convenient kitchen gadget that opens cans with just the push of a button. It's hands-free, smooth, and makes the whole process quick and effortless. It's especially helpful if you struggle with manual can openers, and it makes everyday cooking a lot easier and more comfortable. Number 3, the Gorilla Grip Kitchen Tongs, a simple but essential tool that gives you better control while cooking, flipping, or serving food. The heat-resistant design and strong grip make it easy to handle hot items safely. It also makes cooking more comfortable, reduces mess, improves precision, and helps you handle food with more confidence. Plus, it's durable, easy to clean, and works great for everything from everyday cooking to grilling. Number 4, the KitchenAid Multifunction Can Opener, a reliable and easy-to-use tool that makes opening cans smooth and effortless. It's designed for a comfortable grip and gives you better control compared to basic openers. It also works as a multi-use tool, making your kitchen setup more practical and efficient. Number 5, the Kagu Oven Mitts and Pot Holders, a must-have kitchen essential that helps you handle hot cookware safely and comfortably. They provide strong heat protection while giving you a better grip on pots, pans, and trays. It also makes cooking safer, reduces the risk of burns, and adds more confidence to your everyday kitchen routine. All links are in description. Number 6, the Circle Joy Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, a simple and modern way to season your food with just one touch. It gives you freshly ground spices instantly, making your meals taste better while saving time and effort. It's easy to use, mess-free, and adds a clean, premium feel to your kitchen setup. Number 7, the Babini Electric Wine Opener Set, a sleek and convenient way to open wine bottles effortlessly. With just the push of a button, it removes corks smoothly in seconds, making it perfect for gatherings or everyday use. It also adds a premium touch to your setup and makes the whole experience feel easier and more enjoyable. It's easy to use, works quickly without effort, and is also a great gift option for wine lovers. Number 8, the Pethamkit Meat Tenderizer Tool, a simple yet powerful kitchen tool that helps transform tough meat into soft, juicy, and flavorful perfection in just a few minutes. It works by breaking down the fibers in the meat, which not only improves texture, but also allows marinades and spices to absorb better, giving you richer flavor in every bite. It makes cooking faster, easier, and delivers restaurant-style results right at home. Number 9, the Ease It Off Jar Opener, a powerful and highly practical kitchen tool designed to open even the tightest jar lids without any effort. It's especially helpful for seniors or anyone with weak grip, arthritis, or hand pain, making everyday kitchen tasks much easier and stress-free. You simply place the jar under it, and it instantly loosens and opens the lid without twisting or straining your hands. It's a real game changer for daily cooking convenience, saving time, effort, and frustration. Number 10, the AirPro Rotary Cheese Grater, a smart and efficient kitchen tool that makes grating cheese, vegetables, and nuts quick, easy, and mess-free. Instead of using a traditional grater, this rotary design lets you do it in seconds with smooth, effortless turning. It's perfect for salads, pasta, or cooking prep, saving both time and energy while giving consistent results every time. Number 11, the Black Cow Immersion Blender, a powerful and versatile kitchen tool that lets you blend, mix, and puree ingredients directly in your pot, bowl, or cup. It's perfect for soups, smoothies, sauces, baby food, and everyday cooking prep, making everything faster and more convenient without transferring food between containers. Its handheld design gives you full control over blending, while also saving time, reducing cleanup, and making your cooking process much smoother and easier. Number 12. The Magic Opener Arthritis Bottle Opener, a specially designed kitchen tool that makes opening bottles and caps extremely easy without any hand strain. It's especially helpful for seniors or anyone with weak grip or arthritis, turning difficult lids into an effortless task. Just place it on the bottle and twist slightly, it does the rest for you. It's simple, safe, and makes everyday kitchen use much more comfortable. Number 13. The Yaramate Oil Sprayer, a smart kitchen tool that helps you control oil usage while cooking in a clean and healthy way. It sprays a fine, even mist of oil, making it perfect for frying, grilling, baking, or salad prep. It not only reduces excess oil usage, but also helps you cook more efficiently while keeping your meals lighter and healthier. It's simple to use, refill, and gives you better control over cooking. Number 14. The Toshiba Rice Cooker and Steamer, a reliable kitchen appliance that makes cooking rice and steaming food effortless and consistent every time. It takes away the guesswork and delivers perfectly cooked rice with just a press of a button. You can also use it to steam vegetables, make soups, or prepare simple meals, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. It saves time, reduces effort, and makes daily cooking much more convenient and stress-free. Number 15. The Albayrak Kitchen Timer, a simple but extremely useful kitchen gadget that helps you keep perfect track of your cooking time. It ensures your food is never overcooked or undercooked by giving you accurate timing control. Just set it, start it, and focus on other tasks while it alerts you when your food is ready. It's small, easy to use, and makes everyday cooking more organized and stress-free. Number 16. The Sungwoo Extra Long Silicone Oven Mitts, a heavy-duty kitchen essential designed to give you maximum heat protection while handling hot pots, trays, and oven dishes. The extra-long design protects not just your hands, but also your wrists and lower arms, making cooking much safer and more comfortable. It also provides a strong non-slip grip, so you can handle hot cookware with confidence and control. Number 17. The Impune Wood Cutting Board, a durable and stylish kitchen essential that makes chopping, slicing, and food prep much easier and more organized. Its strong wooden surface provides stability while cutting, and it's gentle on your knives, helping them stay sharp for longer. It also adds a natural, premium look to your kitchen and is perfect for everyday cooking tasks. Number 18. The Voco Digital Kitchen Timer, a simple yet highly practical kitchen tool that helps you keep perfect track of cooking time with accuracy and ease. It's designed with a clear digital display and easy controls, making it quick to set for any recipe. Whether you're baking, boiling, or multitasking in the kitchen, it ensures your food is cooked just right every time without stress or guesswork. Number 19. The Duckstop Portable Induction Cooktop, a powerful and modern cooking solution that lets you cook food quickly and efficiently anywhere you need. It heats up fast, gives precise temperature control, and is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, travel setups, or as an extra cooking burner. It also saves time, improves energy efficiency, and makes cooking more convenient and flexible in everyday life. Number 20. The Stirmate Automatic Pot Stirrer, a smart kitchen gadget that automatically stirs your food while you focus on other tasks, perfect for soups, sauces, and curries, helping you avoid burning or sticking, saving time and effort, and making cooking more relaxed and convenient. All the links are in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart Amazon kitchen finds.